guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm using my voice again actually. Anyway, this video is about, did I scam a person? Now look, one sec, I'm trying to remember her username. I cannot, okay, 1 second, maybe I can, okay, well, whatever. Anyway, I traded this black lung, I traded my beta tail, my 10 beta tail for black lung. I said, do you want a beta tail for your black one? And then she said, yes. Okay? I did not scam her. So basically, any of you accusing me of scamming her, I did not give her any worth of the tail. Okay? I swear, I did not. I just said, do you want a beta tail for your black one? In caps. Anyway, I traded it. Then my friend said she got scammed. Okay, maybe she did, but honestly, I didn't scam her. I did not even tell her the worth. Okay, I'm just going over the top. Anyway, the point is to tell you guys, I didn't scam. So if you leave any mean comments, please don't. I'm just telling you that. Basically, this whole point, okay, I really can't explain this well. Anyway, the point is to tell you guys, I didn't scam her. Okay, I just got really happy when I got this black lung. Anyway, 1 second, I'm trying to remember. So basically, the next part of the story is, I'm sorry for the cringe. I'm just terrible at making videos. The next part of the story is, I traded, then my friend said to come, and then the person in chat said, you got scammed. Right. No, my friend for Bunny Love said she got scammed. And then she said, what? Trade back. Technically, I didn't scam, okay? She just accepted a huge undertrade. Not my problem. I'm sorry. Anyway, the collar is legally mine because it's in my hands. I'm not trying to be braggy or sound rude or anything, but guys, okay, who knew that? Okay, just look at this. Dude, I got it on record. Have fun getting banned. Okay, this is not gonna ruin me. Okay, yes, I admit I've been a scam in the past. You've seen that video of me scamming the Ride Monday hedges. I totally admit that. But the point is to tell you guys, it's just don't make a big deal out of this, please. I have no words to finish this, so I should probably end this video. Please leave a red, oh my god, please leave a click on the red subscribe button. You don't have to, but I'm just telling you, please. Okay, anyway, you know what, let's be kind. I'm gonna give away the Starbuck. 1 second, I'm not sure what it's worth, but I'll check the values. Okay, I'm back on the video and it says it's worth 1 to 2 damn beaters. Maybe I should add something else. Let me see what I've got in my inventory. Okay, I could add a Jamaliday scarf. The first place winner, you just have to subscribe, okay? I'm doing a small giveaway to start up. The first place winner will win this Starbuck. Second place will win this Jamaliday scarf. And third place will win, elk bracelets, okay? Wait, let me check. I got 2 elk bracelets. I have a big feeling. Yeah, let's give away these ones. Okay, so first place gets the Starbucks, second place gets the Jamaliday scarf, and third place gets the elk bracelets. So you guys know how it works. Just leave a click on that subscribe button. Leave your username, comment if you're a member or not a member. I will send you a jag if you're not a member. And good luck on this giveaway. I hope to host more future giveaways. And I love you guys. Peace out.